we need to find a solution. We need to find a solution to the initial value problem that we're given here. We have the following condition, and we want to provide the solution in implicit form and explicit form. Implicit form is just like a basic solution, no simplifying or anything. In explicit form is where we have y by itself, so y is equal to something. First, we need to solve for this. We are going to be using separable equations. So y prime is dy dx, right? If we separate this out, we are going to get a 2y minus 5 dy is equal to a 3x squared minus e to the x dx. And now let's integrate this. So integrating on both sides, this is going to leave us with a y squared minus, y squared minus 5y. And this is going to be equal to an x cubed minus e to the x plus c. Remember, this plus c is going to appear whenever we don't have any bounds in here. And we only need it on one side because even if we add it on the other side, we're just going to add them together and it's just going to be one constant c. We only need one. So from here, we need to find c. And to do that, we are going to use the given condition. So we know y is 1. So we'll have 1 minus 5. And this is going to be equal to, we're going to have a 0 minus e to the 0. And that's just going to give us a 1. Because anything e to the 0 is just 1. So we'll just mark this as 1 here, plus c. So from here, we add 1 to both sides. That's going to give us a 2. So we'll have a negative 3 is equal to c. And that's pretty much how we're going to end that there. So if negative 3 is equal to c, we can plug this back into our equation here. And our basic form is going to be y squared minus 5y is equal to x cubed minus e to the x minus 3. And again, this is going to be for our implicit form. Now, what about our explicit? Well, our explicit, let's actually come down here and do it. So for explicit, we want y by itself, right? So for something like this, we are going to want to take out y here. So we're going to get y and then y minus 5. We can't really put it in explicit form because we can't separate the y like too much from here since, you know, it's already with this 5 and we can't take it out. So from here, we'll just get a y is equal to our x cubed minus e to the x minus 3 over y minus 5. It's like the simplest form we can put it in. Or you can just leave it like this. I believe either of these should work for an explicit form. And that is how we would go about solving for this.